Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler here, filming for the OBX wave report from East Abalone Street on the afternoon of Thursday, July the 20th, as we get 1 to 2 foot waves, maybe a couple of larger sets rolling in off the North Atlantic Ocean, as we have an easterly and southeasterly wind flow, light east southeasterly wind pushing in the Gulf Stream. Warmer water temperatures today in the upper 70s, beautiful green waters, clear waters, and a lot of jellies, but none that I saw of the stinging variety. They were all plate jellies, so just kind of funky to paddle through with a bunch of jellies in your face. But overall, pretty fun day, pretty placid day with some smallish waves, although still very rideable, still some to catch, particularly on the sets. All right, so throughout the day today and into tomorrow and into the next day, we expect those easterly and southeasterly winds to continue and the swell to steadily build over the next few days. So we're looking at building wave conditions. Air temperatures right now on the Outer Banks in the lower through to the upper 80s. Relatively high humidity with some temperatures like feels like temperatures in the range of about 100 degrees down in Buxton, but much more pleasant here today in Nags Head. Watch a little surfer catching the ride down here. So just very pleasant conditions up and down the Outer Banks today, as you can see, for the beachgoers. All right, let's get into the official wave report today for Nags Head. Right now, officially, the waves 1 foot semi-bumpy with east-southeast swell coming in at 9 seconds at 0.9 feet. Winds out of the east at about 6 miles per hour. Air temperatures in the lower 80s right now. Ocean water temperatures in the upper 70s. Weather forecast for this afternoon, sunny. We already had a high in the middle 80s today, and 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm this evening. Heading on down to Rodanthe, we've got 1 foot plus waves, semi-glassy, and the waves are building throughout the afternoon into the evening and into tomorrow. So wave heights will continue to rise as we continue throughout the day and into tomorrow. Primary swell at Rodanthe out of the east-southeast at 1.1 foot. That is a 9-second swell. East-southeast winds at Rodanthe at 4 miles per hour. Air temperatures very warm in the upper 80s at 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures also rather warm at 82 degrees Fahrenheit. And then heading on down south to Buxton, we got 1 to 2 foot waves, semi-glassy, and also building, just generally building waves up and down the Outer Banks today in the afternoon, into the evening, and into tomorrow with that eastern flow. Primary swell at Buxton out of the southeast at 1.6 feet. That is a 9-second swell. Winds out of the south-southeast at 4 miles per hour. A little bit more breeze as we get into the evening. Air temperatures today got up to around 88, 89 degrees at Buxton, and as I said, it feels like air temperatures down there up to 100 degrees with that high humidity. So very muggy down there at Buxton. Ocean water temperatures 82 degrees. Weather conditions for Hatteras Island, sunny. Highs were in the upper 80s. Feels like temps around 100. 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm this evening, and high humidity in the range of about, it looks like around 70%. Okay, and just talking about weather and climate conditions, we're not going to really get big into climate right now, but we will talk a little bit about Tropical Cyclone Don, who is still a tropical storm, still hanging in there. Don has been out there for a number of days now. Max sustained winds for Don, according to the National Hurricane Center, at 50 miles per hour. And we also have another tropical disturbance off the coast of Africa right now, and that one has a 20% chance of formation into a tropical cyclone. We'll have to keep our eyes on the tropics because the North Atlantic Ocean is very, very, very warm, much warmer than normal for this time of year. All right, so we'll end this OBX wave report watching some surfers catch some waves, and we'll just wish you all a fantastic day and hope you guys do get out in the water, or at least have had a chance to get out into the water today. And we'll all look forward to some building waves over the coming days. So thank you for joining me for this session of the OBX wave report. And as I often do, I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help speed the transition to clean energy which will help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Those impacts of climate change being rising sea levels, more intense storms, nasty ocean environment caused by ocean acidification and extreme heat that makes the oceans very unhealthy. So thank you for joining me once again, and I will get back with you shortly.